Hey guys, welcome again, and in this lesson we are going to install ROS2. So let's begin. So in previous lessons we have seen how to install Linux. So we are currently having Ubuntu 22.04. So according to your Linux version, according to your Ubuntu version, we are going to install the ROS2. So in our case it's Ubuntu 22.04. So we are going to install ROS2 GPG. So there are so many different versions of ROS2. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to open a web browser. In my case it's Firefox, and I'm going to search ROS2 GPG. So GPG is a distribution of ROS. Now I will just click on enter, and you will see this first link. This is ROS2 documentation. Now you can see here it's called GPG Jalisco. Now I will just scroll down and I will see this installation button. Here I can find Ubuntu dev packages. So it's all about installation of ROS2 GPG. Now there are so many commands that you have to run in terminal. So what is a terminal? Terminal is a tool that you are going to find in a Linux system. So this is terminal, and that's how it looks like. So I will just copy these commands one by one, and then I will install it. So you might encounter a lot of problems while installation of ROS2 or any other product that you are going to install on Linux, but you have to go through forums and search the solution. Now in my case I think everything is updated, so I will just hit enter and it will ask my password. Okay, so I will enter my password. The password was correct, so this is going forward. Now everything is good to go right now, and then I will install this one. So I will copy it and simply paste it. Remember guys, this doesn't support the keyboard inputs. While you are using the terminal, you can't have Control X, Control Y, Control Z. They won't work. Only your mouse. Now I will hit enter. You just have to read everything that your terminal is going to say, because that's how you are going to know what your machine is doing. Now I will just copy these commands. I will open it again and I will paste it. Okay, yet everything was good. Now I will just copy this. Now if you want some ROS tools, like if you want to simulate and you want development tools, you have to install this, because I want that. I will copy it and then I will paste it. I'll hit enter. Now I will install ROS2 now, because it was just a base that was being installed yet, but I will install ROS2 now. So I'm going to update the packages that we have installed earlier. Now I will paste that sudo apt update, and you can also type it. Now I'll hit enter. Okay, everything is good. Now I will do this. I will do sudo apt upgrade, because we want to upgrade now. Okay, so you are going to find two packages here. One is like the base. Like you will have only bare bones, which means you won't have some like simulation tools like you will find in ROS RVs, demos, tutorials. You can't have that. If you want to install ROS base, you won't have it. But if you want to install it full development, then you have to go with this sudo apt install ROS GPG desktop. This is only base version. Like when you buy a car, you will find a base variant and you will find a upper upgraded variant. So this is the base variant, but we don't want that. We want everything. So I will just copy it and then I will paste it again in terminal. Paste, and then I will hit enter. Yes, I want to continue. I will hit Y and enter. Take your time, because it's going to take a while. So perfect. It means the ROS is installed. Congratulations. Now we are going to move on towards the next lesson, and in next lesson we are going to see a simple example, and I hope I didn't bore you. See you.